My name is Nitya from Standard 9, Sri Saraswati English Medium School. So my topic is clean, green and cheap fuel. So you all know in today's world fuel is very important in all over the country and all over the world. So without fuel, fuel is a inherited of fuel. That fuel is very important to all resources, and without fuel no one can live. And the country which has the amount of fuel very large, they were very developed. And there is such an example of Gulf. Gulf countries is very developed because there is no vegetation in Gulf countries. But that's why they are very rich because they have a fuel amount is very high. So fuel is very important resources. Second, raising issues. Due to the fuel raising issue, you all know fuel is important, but there is also harmful effects on our environment. Fuel plus oxygen and ignition temperature. In many energy is produced. You all know, and fuel gives us energy, but it also gives us byproduct. An example of the byproduct is carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide that we get from the coal and etc. This product, there is a one very important example. You all know that fuel in today's world, fuel is very expensive, like diesel, petrol, and very expensive. And middle class people cannot afford the price of the fuel and all. So there is only one solution of it. You all know plantation is very useful, and plantation also decreases the pollution amount. So there is a one plant named Jatropha which is very useful in all amount and all. It produce a biodiesel, and it useful in very, and biodiesel is very cheap. Biodiesel is very cheap in our India. So it is very climatic. In India, climatic changes in fuel and Jatropha plant is very useful. And the climatic conditions are very supportive to the Jatropha plant. In India, if when our petrol and diesel are at the stage of when they were end, Jatropha plant will useful us. Our government was trying to was working in this project of Jatropha plant to convert into the biodiesel, but they were not reached in the certain stage that they are going to. So I request all to you to plant Jatropha if you can. Our government is also working on project, but they don't stage in the certain level that they can do it. So I want to request government, and you all want to please email, or you can also give a letter and email to the government to please plant the Jatropha and work in the project of the Jatropha plant. Thank you everybody. દિલ્હી એરિયામાં વધારે ગ્રોથ થાય છે ને અત્યારે આપણા ગવર્મેન્ટને પણ આના બારેમાં એટલું ધ્યાન નથી આવ્યું. બસ દિલ્હી એન્જિનિયરિંગ યુનિવર્સિટીમાં આનું શોધ થઈ છે ને આના પાછળના કારણો એ છે કે ગવર્મેન્ટને હજુ આના બારેમાં પ્રોપર જાણ નથી આવી.
આજે પ્લાન્ટની તમે વાત કરો છો એનું કોઈ ફોટો કે એવું નથી નથી. અચ્છા
યસ.
એક બીજું કારણ કે નોર્મલી જે આપણે ડીઝલ મેળવીએ છીએ તે અને જેટ્રોફાથી ડીઝલ પ્રોસેસ કરી મેળવે છે તે બંને વચ્ચેનો જે પ્રોસેસ ચાર્જ કે ટોટલ વેલ્યુ એના સંદર્ભમાં કંઈ આપણી પાસે જાણકારી છે?
યસ. જે પ્રોસેસ જે છે કન્વર્ટ કરવાની જેટ્રોફા પ્લાન્ટના સીડના ઓઇલને બાયોડીઝલમાં, એને ટ્રાન્સફિફિકેશન કહેવાય છે. એ પ્રોસેસ આમ બહુ ઇઝી હોય છે, આપણે ઘરે પણ કરી શકીએ છીએ. જો આપણા પાસે એનું તેલ હોય તો આપણે એની પ્રોસેસ આપણે ઘરે પણ કરી શકીએ છીએ. પ્રોસેસ બહુ ઇઝી છે.
પ્રોસેસ ઇઝી છે, પણ કોસ્ટ ઇફેક્ટિવ કેટલી છે?
So it was very cheap. There was no इतनी भी ज़्यादा कॉस्ट इफेक्ट नहीं है उसमें.
अपन अगर इतनी बात समझ सकते हैं तो गवर्नमेंट क्यों नहीं समझ सकती?
जैसे कि मैंने आपको बोला कि गवर्नमेंट अभी इस पर वर्क कर रही है. उनको इसके बारे में इतनी भी ज़्यादा नॉलेज नहीं है और वो इस पर वर्क कर रही है. और गवर्नमेंट को जब पता चलेगा कि इसके जो बेनिफिशियल है, और मेन फार्मर जो हरियाणा के और साइड के जो जहाँ पर जेट्रोफा प्लांट ज़्यादा है, वो सब इस पर वर्क कर रहे हैं और उनको ट्रेनिंग भी मिलती है दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में से।
मतलब इसका कहने का मतलब अभी ये है कि पूरा रिसर्च नहीं हो पाया है, ये प्राइमरी स्टेज या सेकेंडरी स्टेज में हो सकता है। फाइनल स्टेज में अगर आ जाएगा और उसके प्रॉपर बेनिफिट मिलेंगे उसके बाद ही शायद गवर्नमेंट इसको परमिट करेगी। एम आई राइट?
Yes.
थैंक यू।